Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you the new digital files that are ready. Now, I'm going to show you some that have been done for a while. I was just away so I couldn't print them and show you. So the first one is the license plates for Canada. So we released the one for USA, which has all 50 states, and then it has some extra stuff, and then some blank ones that you can put whatever you want. You can stamp some stuff in there. So, and then you have the Canadian one, which has all 10 provinces and the 3 territories, and then the capitals, and then you have like Canada Day, July 1st, and then some sayings that, they say that Canadians say quite a bit, which, I know that we say that a lot, but about out and about. But it's said enough that we say that I wanted to put on there. And of course, hockey, our number one sport here in Canada, and then some blank ones so that you can add whatever you want. Now, the new license plates this week are words, and the way we did them this time was with the assorted. So we did the apple and oranges, the cozy cafe, pastel paradise, radiant rainbow, season spices, and summer carnival. I think I got them all there. So let's go through them. So it's all different words. There's not one word that is the same on this, so you get that many difference saying, if you will. And then on each sheet, it's the same sayings, but the different colors. So you have like travel, vacation, road trips, seaside, adventure, fabulous, s'mores, road trip, read a book, zip lining, aquarium, nature walk, wild and free. So the first one, for each color family, you get 3 different, if you will, color combo. So this is apples and oranges. So this is the first one. And then you got this color, which I think it's so cool. And I like the background he did to it. And then this is the last one. Then you have Cozy Cafe. So you have the blue and the brown and the light blue in the first one. And then you have the teals and the green in the second one. And then you have browns and the pinks in the third one. Now next is Pastel Paradise. Oh, I love that first one. Look at the blues and the pinks. So cute. And then you have kind of the browns and the peachy on this one. And this one you have the light greens and a light yellow in this one. Love it. Then the next one is Radiant Rainbow. So you have the 3 tones of the purples. Then you have the oranges and yellows. And then you have the blues and the greens. Oh, I love this one. Then you have Season Spices, which is kind of like a fallish. When we created it, we're thinking, fallish. So you have the darker brown, the lighter brown, and a little bit of that peachy orange. So he's used the colors that we use for Season Spices, and the same with all the other combinations. So this is one that has kind of like browns and yellows. And this one has yellows and greens. So that was the Season Spices. Then you have the last one, which is Summer Carnival. So this one has kind of a pinkish, 2 types of pink and a purple. This one has purple and blues. And then this one is the kind of like the blues and the greens together. So cute. Okay, so these are sold in kind of a set. So you have, your Summer Carnival and your Season Spices. So you get 3 files for each. And then you can also purchase as a whole bundle, which you get all, I think it's 18 files. You get all 18 files. And then the Canadian one is by itself, and then the USA one is also by itself. Now we haven't decided if we're going to do these in all our colors and then just do like, you know, for pink, just do one pink. Maybe choose the darkest pink and the lightest pink, or maybe do 3 pinks together. We haven't decided yet. So let us know if you think that we should do those in all of our other colors. But that's it. I just want to share with you our new digital files that are available right now. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.